got Nico and Minnie a birthday present. It finally came in. This is it.
It weighs that much? Really?
Yes.
We have to put it together, yeah.
It's really heavy. Like, this ain't no joke.
Oh, I'm so excited to open this.
It's actually nice material. Feel it.
Oh.
Also, it's like a suede. Look at it. This is gonna be huge.
Can Minnie fit in there?
I'm pretty sure it would fit in that thing.
Too many
Nico,
fit in there.
what is it?
What is this thing?
Look at all these scratch and posts, Nico. Look. Yo.
How is this gonna get so tall? Holy. I feel like you just keep pulling more stuff out. Nico. You're so cute in here. I think they're gonna really like this a lot.
Nico, come here. I want to show you something.
I like it a lot.
Go ahead, check it out, Nico. I'm sure they'll like it after a while. How would they get up to the next level?
They have to use their strength. Look, he doesn't know what to do with himself.
It's pretty sturdy.
You think so?
Yeah. Nico's like, I am the king. This is my home now.
Thanks for setting it up.
Look how cool it is.